Good morning students. Today we study what are dienes and its classification. What are dienes? Alkenes having two double bonds in its molecule are known as dienes. Classification, it consists of three types of. First is cumulative dienes, isolated dienes and conjugated dienes. Dienes. Alkenes having two double bond in the molecule are called as dienes. Means the single molecule two double bonds are there, and such are known as dienes. They are classified as cumulative dienes, conjugated dienes and isolated dienes. So there are three types of dienes: cumulative dienes, conjugated dienes and isolated dienes. Cumulative dienes. The dienes in which two double bonds are adjacent to one another are called cumulative dienes. These dienes are also called as allenes. So where adjacent to one another there are two double bonds. Here you can see there are two double bonds adjacent to each other. 1,2 propadiene, and here in 2,3 pentadiene also side by side there are adjacent to each other. There are two double bonds, and such are known as cumulative dienes. The dienes which are having double bond adjacent to one another are called as cumulative dienes. These dienes are also known as allenes. Example is 1,2 propadiene, 2,3 pentadiene. Here on adjacent the double bonds are there adjacent to each other. Next, conjugated dienes. The dienes in which two double bonds are separated by one single bond are called as conjugated dienes. So they are separated by one single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. There is one single bond between two double bonds, such are known as conjugated dienes. Example is 1,3 butadiene. So on the first position double bond is there, and on the third position double bond is there. So it is known as 1,3 butadiene. This is 1,3 pentadiene. So here also single bond and double bond, single bond, double bond. So a single bond is there between two double bonds, such is known as dienes. Example is 1,3 pentadiene. 5 carbon atoms, so penta, two double bonds are there. So diene, in position 1 and 3 there are double bonds, so it is known as pentadiene. Next, isolated dienes. The dienes in which two double bonds are separated by two or more single bonds are called as isolated dienes. So double bonds are there, two double bonds are there, but they are separated by two or more single bonds. Here there are three single bonds in between two double bonds. They are known as 1,5-hexadiene, because in position 1 and 5 the double bonds are there. So 1,5, 6 carbon atoms, so hexa, two bonds are there, so diene. 1,5-hexadiene. This is the example of isolated dienes. Methods of formation of dienes. First method is from butane. Butane, when passed over silica or chromium oxide at about 600 degrees centigrade, gives 1 butene and 2 butene. Mixture of these two alkenes when passed over silica or chromium oxide at about 6 is 1,3-butadiene is obtained. So here you are seeing from butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. From butane, the presence of silica at 600 degrees centigrade, you are getting two dienes, 1 butene and 2 butene. This again heated, you are getting 1,3-butadiene. In position 1 and 3, two double bonds are there, so 1,3-butadienes. So from butane we can obtain 1,3-butadiene. So butane, when it is passed through silica or chromium oxide at about 600 degrees centigrade, you will getting 1 butene and 2 butene mixture. This again when heated you are getting 1,3-butadiene. So this is a method of formation of diene from butane. From diols, 1,4-butadiene on dehydrogenation by heating in presence of acid gives 1,3-butadiene. 1,4-butadiene, in position 1 and 4 OH groups are there. So 1,4-butadiol, OH, 2 OH, so diol. In the presence of alumina, a concentrated H2SO4 at 280 degrees centigrade, you are getting 1,3-butadiene. So from diols you are getting 1,3-butadiene. Thank you.